Want to sound smarter in a conversation? Start asking better questions. Instead of asking, "Did you understand?" Ask, "What part would you like me to explain further?" Instead of, "Do you agree?" Ask, "What's your perspective on this matter?" Good questions do more than collect information. They show curiosity. They encourage deeper conversation and they make people feel valued. Remember, great communication doesn't always have the best answers. Sometimes they simply ask the best questions.